Nowodhow! News! Nowodhow! News! News! Nowodhow!
I'm Keith Pengelly.
And I'm Treve Goldsworthy.
And this is Nowodhow Kernow.
Cornwall News.
First up, we have a chilling story regarding a pandemic of creeditis.
This disease has affected many people in the mid and east Cornwall area.
We join roving reporter Ruthenbridge Ruthers Matthews, who is with Mr. Tregagle in Dragos.
Ruthers Matthews here, talking to Mr. Tregagle about his creeditis. So, Mr. Tregagle, how did you start experiencing symptoms?
I was buying my morning paper last week in Bunts, and I said to the guy, can I have an ounce of Curtis Choice and a tango? And he kicked me out.
That is awful, Mr. Tregagle. So, this new experimental treatment you've been having, Pyth, hemma?
It's Hemm, you brother. It's basically lasering my bone marrow in my hips.
That is terrible. So there you have it. It's a dangerous disease, luckily only affecting people who have massive piles exposed to china clay.
I hope I don't die. Awful. Awful.
Next up we have Ludgman Williams talking to local artist Darren Michael Adams about his latest installation.
So here we are in Garnhaven Community Centre with local artist Darren Michael Adams.
Hi, yeah.
So, Darren, what led you to becoming an artist?
Well, I got fed up with the bloody rat race and moved down to Cornwall, aka Kernow. I've got the car sticker and everything.
Right, so where do you find your inspiration for your pieces?
Well, obviously it's the beautiful coastline and Cat Stevens.
Right.
The big reveal. Shemesh!
If so, Pyth henna.
Hello, and more. Headmar.
The sea.
Yeah, it's a 3-flippin' D multimedia representation of the sea. It's my view of the sea.
It looks like a line.
It's the sea.
Looks like a line.
You remind me of my bloody father. He was a right-wing fascist as well.
Get on.
Look, I don't need to be condescended to by you. I knit my own Crocs, don't you know?
So here I am, Ludgman Williams, reporting from Garnhaven Community Centre with disgruntled local artist Darren Michael Adams. Over to you in the studio, boys. It is a line, though.
Wow.
Obviously, we can't provide such comprehensive news coverage in such illustrious surroundings unless we have some kind of financial input.
So here's a word from our sponsors.
Difter, he's Hugo.
And he's Tucker.
We are Trebubble, Poet and Sons Entertainment Entrepreneurs.
Now represented Dougford Big Flips Geach, a local death-defying daredevil.
He's a bloody brilliant, daring devilman. He's available for weddings, christenings, funerals, bar mitzvahs, bat mitzvahs, baby showers, head nights, and more.
Essentially, we're pimping Dougford out, but this due to his many skills.
Such as bunny hopping over 3 chubby cats and a spaniel on a mountain bike.
Regularly setting his forearms on fire for kicks.
Consuming 3 coffees in one day.
Took 200 weight of bath salts from Kingsley Village in a wheelbarrow all the way to Nanpian. Inventing the spatula? Eating a live puff adder
Tail first. Reading a Stephen King novel before bed. Always mowing the lawn in heavy rain. Febrezing his own tear ducts. Eating a yard of balsa wood a day. Laying 20 yards of hedging before crib time. Drinking 2 litres of industrial drain cleaner. Whoopah! Using an emu as an umbrella. Taking a rotund puffin to the midriff from a trebuchet. So call us Trebummel, Bolwinnet and Sons on our well-known number. Pyth you henna? Henn you? Whack, 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 whack. 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 Whack, 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 whack. 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 So that's it for part 1, and part 2 we got weather, sports and other news.
I know there was a lot of Kernewek in part 1, but basically you can use it if you want, use it if you don't want, use it if you want, use it if you don't want, use it if you want, use it if you don't want.